Hey, Arttemis here, Life Transformation Specialist for Windows and Wellness, and I just attended Yifat's workshop on social media, Facebook Live, getting your message out there. The workshop was incredible. What I loved about it was very well thought out. It had very masterfully executed, questions and things to think about. We all did a Facebook Live together. We learned a lot about engagement and connection, and I left the workshop really knowing what to do exactly with my social media, my videos. And one of my greatest takeaways from the workshop was going over Gary Vaynerchuk's content strategy and taking one long piece of content and separating it into 33 different pieces of media, and then getting so much more reach and so much more impact with a little bit of time. If you're looking to get better on video, get better on content distribution, if you're looking to make more money through making more connection and more sales, come learn from Yifat.